Hey everybody, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. I don't know if you can exactly see what these fish are doing, but they're skimming out their own tank. These are goldfish and koi's, so vegetarian fish. So if their tank starts to get a little bit cruddy, just stop feeding them for a little bit and let them skim out their tank. So this is day 2 of me not feeding them, and they just starting to skim out their tank. And I'll just keep an eye on them, and when they stop skimming the tank out, or when they get really, really heavy at skimming the tank out, then I'll go back to feeding them. You just gotta kind of watch them. Keep an eye on your fish, especially with vegetable eating fish, vegetarian fish like tilapia and goldfish and things like that. Keep an eye on them. If their tank gets a little bit mucky, you just stop feeding them for a little bit.
Dad, can I feed them?
Thank you very much.
Fishies? Daddy.
Yes, the little fishies, yes. Go feed the little fishies. They need it. They're not as big. They're still growing. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night. This is the little fish tank, which is actually our first fish tank. All the fish that you see in that other tank, they're about a year old, and they're getting very, very huge. You can see there's some koi. Okay, that's good. That's good. Whoa, whoa, that's enough. Let's put the lid back on and put that fish tank away. Put that fish feed away now, okay? You see these koi's in there. And then these goldfish, I don't know if you can see them. They are really, really tiny. They were the 19-cent size when I got them. But within a year, they should be pretty big. I have a couple of koi's in here. Every time I start a new tank or rotate a tank, I put some koi's in there because I can grow that out for a profit. Am I going to eat that koi? No, but I can grow it out for a profit. This is Matt at the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good day.